Chiara no pay ya betena se den 70p ebremo wo djumade no so ye hyase a na ye hye nsam na se the free the blancers of Ghana on se nyankopon ya adoma enem anadwe okopiem the nations Wembley Accra Sports Arena ana o micro Ghana any Chad ebo wo World Cup qualify ma disinima any game koto akra na head of game e ba so nyankopon ya adoma na anadwe no yam for to the enu ana the blancers of Ghana o na ye o mala strain na nya gokra na mamin to just say coach Otoado and of the captain offense Jordan Ayu omon nabo modern Asian Central for Emra omodin sempi tuga na coach offense Otoado say Ghana for ni na no monyin tumna mon fanshe mutim say Ghana Asia kan bia say yewini a omani na na wini ana say yedin kuku anase yelususu a ye na na yetimelusu yenten sama coach Otoado head of gamer yani chat ebo na no odi tuga
and give the guys the belief. And for this, I'm responsible for this for sure. But I also need you guys, I need everybody. And like I said, I'm really going to thank you for the support the country has given so far. I mean, the president of the country, what do we want more as a support? And the sports minister came to ensure us that he's totally behind us. And we had a lot of positive talks also with media. And really happy and looking forward for that game. And I know.
Yes, I know any sama coach Otoado on your coach Adama the Blancers of Ghana. Or they two enemy and on a pay at one sama mojumadi so na ninkomodi na odi two just nyanya nukwe ni Ghana enya ebobere kra na ase Ghana panka bia ye bo of 2025 for Morocco Ghana ntimi qualify afi World Cup qualify say ebo kra no anza du ba bia Ghana kra timi struggle ansa na yawini amtojide pass Ghana enya ebobere na enti coach Otoado,
which is very important after these losses. And look on the areas where we can improve ourselves. But surely, like I said, it's not only on me, it's first it's the players, but also it's the whole environment. And I'm very, very happy, like I said, that we have a positive, even though we played very bad, and I really want to apologize for that because this is not where we are supposed to be. And I'm very, very happy that now, 2025, we have a new match tomorrow. Took a long time. This is the yeah.
Yes, I know any sama Blancers coach offense Otoado di two anima. And I pay one samari to Ghana or see him fan to Ghana. Say on the Jide power Mrante dimiti or the two Ghana for in enemy say ye no ye Jide or Mrante himself can be asono or met me a deliver am my Ghana.
Create a lot of chances and give the guys the belief. And for this I'm responsible for this for sure, but I also need you guys, I need everybody, and like I said, I'm really going to thank you for the support the country has given so far. I mean, the president of the country, what do we want more as a support? And the sports minister came to ensure us that he's totally behind us, and we had a lot of positive talks also with media, and really happy and looking forward for that game. I know.
Yes, I know any sama Blancers coach offense Otoado di two anima. And on a pay de one sama mojumadi no so see mfa to ya say Chad dey omunye team bi omu kura Chad anya big team yentie coach Otoado on Chad.
Chad is not a top team, but believe me, it's not going to be easy. And we need all the support we can get. And the boys, I mean, everyone knows that they can do it. They're showing the support. We need them. We need to create the right atmosphere, which is really in place now, for them to do the same here in Ghana. And I'm very, very happy that the pitch looks much better. This is for me the most important thing. I know maybe people who haven't played maybe don't think it's not important, but it's very, very important that we have a good pitch and the pitch is wet. And I think now we are really in a good path, and I know that we create a lot of chances and the goals will come.
Yes, and one is some blasters coach friends otoare de tu eni me na no paye de won sama mo djumadi no so na mama me bra na Chad national team no omo eba for press conference omo jide pass omo ba obe waste time na so anya de say djumadi no team ba so ntia bra na Chad for no omo ko omo jide pass press conference ahead of game Ghana no omo bonana dwi no omo jide pass anya de so betima press conference no na no share live on Sompa TV and I feel live on Sompa 93.1 FM on Facebook and I'm pay ya de won some Emma Mojmedi so nya gogra na Grace Mami Abra na former captain of the Blasters of Ghana Baby Jet Asamoah na Manchester na I chese training grounds wo mu shi jama chese wo mu dim feature na chese entwene ni ade aliens so say ono ya fa ne kwaku na waba na akwambia so ne wode ball beto atenam yentie Inyaki Williams.
Hey Charlie, kwaku abafi ochra mikoshe goal. We need your support. Come on Ghana, let's go Ghana. Yenko.
Sompa FM.
Sentiano Inyaki Williams ni nsema odi atuja na no pe de won sama mamo wo djumadi so so on fe ne kwaku na ne waba aje se obema ntina na wo so chechechecheche again shade de won sama no mamo djumadi no so sports minister honorable Kofi Adams no odi tuja se amnante na ba no mo ba adwuma no enya afi na manfo pi ka se na mo kura no on se do de na hu ne se blasters ndi sika ntina amnante ne di akire o se boys no enye sika 70 no mo ha na mo ba adwuma no na omabomodin ama Ghana so etimadi nkonim ne yentie sports minister honorable Kofi Adams.
I have engaged these players individually. None of them is thinking about money. I know why I'm saying none of them is thinking about money. Under normal circumstances, there are some monies that, like by now, should have been paid to them. It hasn't been paid, but nobody is talking about it. So it tells you that the players themselves understand the times in which we find ourselves. And so what they need is kind words from everybody and prayers.
Yes, no, I am some honorable sports minister Kofi Adams need to anima and on a prayer doing some Emma Mojmedi so na mami fun to just new NSA boss open your fans ya ampo for anchor in same PD atuja was in oba 1 week any na ojire pass atmosphere ya dey say e high yepa na ojire pass na bibia betima fine magana etimi ahye omaya from se Chad yentie o fans ya ampo for anchor.
Yeah, today is exactly 1 week since I took, office here, and it's been very interesting. I've enjoyed every bit of it. It's very challenging, but that's what I like. And so far, the little input that we've brought, very little input, we believe should be enough for a good environment, a good turnout, and a good atmosphere experience on Friday.
Yes, I know, and some new NSA boss or reference ya ampo for ankari to any man on pay. Ya don't want some Emma Mojmedi so I'm watching the Ebusan say your various stadium no there's a transport don't pay and a bet me host games sanctioned by FIFA and Africa now other venues no so no intention more reference ya ampo for anchor edit to him.
Oh, it's 1 day at a time, and hopefully we'll be able to do the right things immediately after the Ghana versus Chad game. That's where our attention is. So we need to make sure everything is done for this game to be successful, and then right after this game, we can concentrate on the long term.
Yes, I know, and some new NSA boss or reference ya ampo for ankari to any man on a pay doing some no Emma Mojmedi na mami from two when him say on send I'm not a full-time Jumedi so yani George Kigali one a former goalkeeper and mother Blasters of Ghana and needing come as I say who could national team no goalkeepers na miensa Lawrence Atizigi or Anafe George Wala Kotana goalkeeper your friend say Benjamin Asara new goalkeeper at the House of for bobo kono no Nigeria pass a wine na sa game eba so ene no wine no hu ne se eso timi mani goal post no edema the Black Stars of Ghana yenti sema George Kigali ade to yanim
other that CGG and I do the World Cup so much now because Ben is up and coming. He just came, but sometimes number of these matches you cannot take risks. You need experienced goalkeeper. But see the Ben goalkeeper and has goalkeeper who you see the kind of crap for the final game before we defeat into the team.
Yeah.
To be used at once, in the other day, you do work out another at the
Yes, and one and summer former Black Stars goalkeeper George to anima and I pay the one some Mojimedino so and watching the Abusans of Pani Nagaruana Susa house of 4 goalkeeper and defense Benjamin Masareno and the morning bar or then a dual league in this season. I don't know if he's and cast only to me on money goal post against Chadna and then I'll carry a phone.
Sometimes Uber goalkeeping you need time or in the time you demand what I say. To Ghana League and compare international matches. One experience also because why say starting with baby they look protocol they quite good and say professional. But that time now we protocol confidential cap now they
yeah.
That goalkeeper direct from the league now on the African terrain you can see that once a problem
Yes, I know, and sama George to any man on a pay doing some no, Mojimedi Sonino, and some Diabana Mumam in National under 20, the Black Stars of Ghana, also our counterpart, Omo Efu Morocco, the Koboni and now Rabat. I'm a Morocco 4 years Ghana Kabakuma, Yanti pictures run over live on Sompa TV, live on Sompa 93.1 FM on Facebook and Anopay. You're doing some Mojimedi Sonino, and some Diabana. From 2 when him say ye wuramu amana ne na no latest and also nothing go for crossover and ya amana ne nsemi na no ya de won sam e dia tuja e de matie for media so no and some na dia eba na mame from 2 dey say oko adese South America omo World Cup qualifying matches na no adese games ni dey so to me ba so na mame from 2 when him say omoya ya from some Paraguay omo ba mo die pa and some na tena wo she kana ba ko ama Chile man omo ntimati saka no and watch Brazil and some nachi Colombia and some Maccabi no take on about the and some Sabante for the simple Rafinha about first goal and some Nadima Brazil and some Vinicius Junior and some Nabama Day and the second goal neighbor and the Brazilian national team banana play and the San Samadi Tuja and the Mambo Jumades Mamin from 2 and himself and again Sabas with Benyo Maya you're from some Nikota almost some number Venezuela and for Uruguay almost some number Argentina and World Cup qualifying Madisano and so Timmy Kosonra and after the games about Cosino and you don't want some and some Nadia Tuda and Matthew for Media Sonino and some Nadia Eba na Mamin from 2 when in Sempono on the Oko Europe Adiatia and soon as some World Cup qualifying matches and matches need better Matobia you don't want some Namamo Maminka some Malta and some Name Finland game no and bet me some Baswana Brama so about Paul Media Anonym and as I get about 7:45 and Anna sa game no and so nebetima toga and what him from 2 when is o me France Paul and almost no ebetima so na Lithuania ebetima so adia face no and so games ebetima toga no and you go so dey won some amount and so no jumadi so no and so games about man from 2 das Andorra and so no me France Latvia almost game no ebetima so nya toga and for young from 2 da some no me from England almost no and you bring ebetima dia boy ni na no I blast 7:45 for banana day and as I came and bet you so to the seminar no ya dem na no so my team for another pay and what media so ni na no and some dia by Africa World Cup qualifying matches in the tier and some games and some letting us ni na no ye na come on so much na fie ama mali ko so makamiansa almost some 91 kanamba kokura and watch Libya and Angola game na day 1-1 the tier and some na Gambia and Kenya game na 3-3 so Leon anso no ba modie pa ese kan mi ese de tie Guinea Bissau ama mo tie kan ba ko de tie anso na ne se Zimbabwe ani Benin game ko tutu na no pa ya de won san na mamo ewo tuma de su de tie anso na ne sa da ma chesa ani tumi ba su ni na no ye benya Uganda amo so se kan mi ansa anasa mo tena ho ama Mozambique so maka mi ansa amo tie kan ba ko na no pa ya de won san na mamo ewo tuma de so na ma chesa ba su no ekoto Guinea omo jina kono mamo ene sa otomi en principe ebo ani abra don kwati mabo ana sa ma chine to de benya Burkina Faso a omo so ngane Djibouti ebo ye benya Dr. Konga omo so ngane Sudan abo ni na no e ya abra no ne ti mabo na matches no ana so ngaba so Rwanda ene Nigeria game ni 4 p.m. South Africa ene Lesotho ebo ni na no e ya abra 4 p.m. abo ana sa matches na baso na Burundi ene Cote d'Ivoire ebo ni abra no so wati mabo ana sa match no ene betu so nganya toga ana fa dia tene so maya ye from Ghana omo so ngani Chad ebo ni na no e game se toga de won sam no en so ngama mo ebo 9 p.m. adia tie en so ngani se Ethiopia ene Egypt game no ene betu so nganya baso ana from se Guinea omo so ngani Somalia game no ene so abra 9 p.m. abo ana sa match na baso Niger en so ngani Morocco game no ene betu na baso ni na no en so ngani abra ma nkuru wati mabo ana sa match ni na no ene betu so na toga won sense mi na no ya de ene so no en so ngama ya tie fa na no pai ewo juma die so ni na no en so ngama de etoga na mami for today sir uro mo Europe on sanwa o mo UEFA Nations League na matches no awudo pina no en so ngati mi ba so na sa matches en so timi ba so no ina no on se mamana ye fom se Croatia o mo so ngaba moden e che France so ba kan no o mo so nganti matika no ba kokura en no pe de won sam no en so ngama mo ewo juma die so nya sam koto akura en wo ti mami ka o se o mo ye fom se Denmark for Bomaden at Portugal so makaba kwa omo antimante saka no Netherlands and Spain game no and some 9-2-2 and what Ukraine for Bomaden shaka me san ama bonjo moboko no omo some nati kanaba ko Austria and some nani Serbia game me and 1-1 and after the tier and so Turkey for shaka me san ama Hungary for no omo some nati kanaba ko na pai ya de won sana ma ya de sa Italy for now ama Germany so makame no omo some nati kan bakwa mi na ne majisa no so timi kutodwa ena no pere sansam no anso ngama mo ewo dwede so na man fon to da san no penya fon sa Roberto Martinez so manager edema Portugal national team no after san no so ya shahai ama Denmark so makaba kwa o won trante ni na no manager first Roberto Martinez wajire pasa no the worst gamer Portugal national team no o so let me bo anam sa wajire pasa no na amante money adiasa ewo from here pani esema Portugal manager na ye for Sir Roberto Martinez no ono so di tu ene manana pai ye de won sam na mamo na game ne ko na wie ya ana Cristiano Ronaldo wodi abufuo ewura mo adesu ma chese wan kaso bia ho ana otusu ewura mo adesu ni nanza Ronaldo regide pasa na manager na body ball for manua entiman ko ye ba adiasa o me France Denmark for no eso makaba ko a o mo entiman to se game ne ko so no adesa Christian Eriksen enya penalty boss na no pede won sam no anso ngama mo ewo djubedi so ni na no anso edie to de na no pai ya de won sam mama na abrantia ye fense Nico Williams no wotu atena Edma Spain na shetim no na no sabra game ne koso no on se du babi na cheza hola na shetim supporters no o mu na tiamu yedede ha cheza nya sam kutu akwa na atmosphere ni ya charge no awo hola no nya gokra ana Nico Williams in front to the sa ya desa return leg abeko so Spain abran Spain and so say desa Holland for no was so jide pass o metimi ati o muti Spain wo kan bia so no o metimi asem po no o metimi so qualify ko mani na no die to the na no pai ya de sansa no and so na de mamo djumedi so pania ye fon se Luis de la Fuente was in ania die pa na mo no na o jide pass kan na na mulante de betima better than anua de mutimi ya namsa oye chances soundwa omo letimi kretia omo ntimi utilize sa chances na ojire pass second leg no eso mutimi edi ometimi bia sana bia spin na team no ebetu so na to so ko mani mani esema opanyin France Luis de la Fuente enso na de ma na no pai ya de sansam no enso na mamo ewo tume so na Brontia ya feme sem na bono Rasmus Højlund on striker at the Denmark national team no wasem no Cristiano Ronaldo and a man and naje football nam say abra no so ina no na Cristiano Ronaldo and an idol and into the no abra also the only goal and so na the Denmark national team no omo je 3 pass ni na no what so na ye seal celebration and Ronaldo and nam say seal celebration no Ronaldo celebration tenua na no so ye the Cristiano Ronaldo and me asema Denmark striker friend say Rasmus no ono so mmari tu eni manano pai ya de sansam no enso nama mojuwa de so ni na no enso ya diaba mamu fantu da se ba mu chi bobo kono sa na mamo ene Leroy Sani din ko masa anka no contact no obeti mo so na stand ene ma ba mu chi bobo kono ano pa mamu fantu da sa ya sen ko mono mo ede ante anya like sa Leroy Sani ebeti mo so na sa new contract ene ma ba mu chi bobo kono ni na no enso ebeti gwa na no pai ya sansam na de mamo ewo jumade so nua on se Brazil gamer on se Colombia 2-1 no Gabriel Magalhaes o defender edema Brazil national team no okodi yellow card o meti san no mukema o mani Argentina ebono o ye ruda denya de se abant telefone simple no eye Gabriel Magalhaes no o betum so na available edema Brazil national team nam se we suspend no se nua okodi yellow card against Colombia ni na no ye de to de na no pai ye de won san na de Jondi as Yesua, Yajina Sunan on the pay, Amanon 7 Fisma Bobani Nano, Yabias Yabon 930, Yabet transfer 4 times so, now latest Amanon some, any Fisma Boni Nano, Yadia to the Jeffers Yabon 930, Yababani the more, and so Abramo.
There's nothing worse than your multi-bet missing, but nothing better than having it saved.